What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy Nick from the Get This Nick channel, guys. We're back with another video. We got the Lincoln Town Car right here for all my LTC subscribers, all the people that love the Town Car content. I know I haven't posted a video on the car in a while, but she's been good. I've been driving her like every day, and knock on wood, no issues yet. I still haven't gotten tint on it. I still haven't gotten tires, but she's been doing good. So last year, during the ski season last year, I live in Chicago, and we started doing a couple ski trips, just like small weekend trips. I was never into skiing like that. I did it a little bit when I was younger, for just like random stuff like events or people's birthdays or whatever, but never really spent time going every single season. It just wasn't really my thing. We did it a bit last year. I really liked it. I enjoyed it. And I was like, I'm kind of one of those people that once I get my mind on something, or once I, get hooked on something or interested on something, I tend to start going all out. So of course, the first thing I started doing was looking at ski gear, boots, goggles, skis, all that stuff, and trying to see if it would be worth it for me to go ahead and purchase my own gear. And I looked at some stuff last year. I actually went on curated.com. They're not paying me or sponsoring me for this video at all. I just use them because I am a complete newbie. I had no idea what I was looking at, what to buy, what to get. Ski gear is pretty expensive. I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on something that I didn't need or necessarily wasn't going to help me with what I was trying to do out here in the Midwest, like skiing out here in the Midwest. So basically with curated.com, you go ahead and you type in like where you're located, where you're going to be skiing at, your height, your weight, all that stuff, and they go ahead and pair you up with a curated expert, which picks out what they think you need for boots, for skis, for bindings, everything. They basically throw it all together. They give you a list of stuff, and they say, hey, this is my opinion. This is what I think you should get if you want to go ahead and purchase skis or whatever. So that's what I did, and being a newbie and being super new to the sport and not knowing anything, it really helped me out because I wouldn't have known what to buy. Because looking at that stuff, it was basically trying to read another language. I don't know anything about it. So I went ahead this year. Black Friday came around. Curated had sales on a lot of the stuff that I was looking at that was in my little cart, my recommendations. I went ahead and purchased everything. For everything I'm about to show you, I spent close to probably $1,000 for boots, bindings, skis. I got poles, and as well as I got goggles. I'm a little goofy. When I start buying stuff, I tend to go ahead and try to look for like the top of the line stuff, which obviously you don't have to do. But me, I just have a problem with doing that. It's a bad habit of mine. When I get into some sort of hobby or something like that, I tend to go all out, pedal to the metal. So I think I ended up buying like a $200 pair of goggles or something, which obviously you don't need, but that's just me being stupid. But yeah, so I got everything, and the skis that I got actually don't come with bindings on them, so I have to buy the bindings separate. And I'm going right now on my day off to go ahead and go to a ski store near me to go ahead and get these bindings installed. I'm bringing my boots there so that they could like line it up or match it up or however I need to do it, and we're gonna go from there. But in the meantime, I got the trunk loaded of her car. It's real messy, so don't judge. It's a mess. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what we're working with so far with this ski gear. Okay, so first things first are these Nordica boots that they recommended and picked out for me. I'll go ahead and throw a picture up on the screen of the exact like make and model. Sport Machine, I guess. Sport Machine 80s. But this is what the guy recommended for me. So I went ahead and picked those up. I tried them on just like in the front room of the house. They felt good, but obviously I haven't had a chance to ski with any of this stuff yet. So I can't give you guys my full opinion yet, but that'll come later. These are some Look bindings that he paired up for me. I got all the pieces here, and we are gonna get these installed on these K2 Mindbender skis, which you can see I still got in the plastic, but kind of like this black and gray ski. They're the right height for me. Yeah, so we're gonna bring all of this stuff over to the ski shop. Wait a minute. Over to the ski shop so that we can get it installed. And there she is taking Bo on a walk And Bo is like, it's way too cold for me to be out here. Please take me inside. Look at that outfit you're rocking today, huh? So yeah, that's basically it. We're gonna go ahead and get in the car, head out there, and then we're also gonna get some breakfast, so that should be entertaining as well. And there's Bobo Baggins. Bobo. She ain't interested. But before we get going, let me actually go in here and show you guys just the last two things so you can see. This is expensive, this skiing stuff. It's kind of crazy. And I'm not even buying, like, this is considered like beginner gear, I guess you would say, to a certain extent. Obviously, I could have gotten cheaper things if I wanted to, but that's how I roll. So we got Dez's. These are actually Dez's skis too. Of course, she's got to do black and pink. And she's got the matching poles, Armada poles. These are her Solomon skis. And then, I don't know what this is. If anyone is a skier and can drop a comment, why does hers have this like chrome plate thing, this like reinforced thing at the tip of her skis? And then I got these black and white K2 poles to go ahead and match the skis. So that'll be good. But one of the most expensive things I got were these accessory, I guess you could say, is these. These are the Anon, I think it's pronounced, M4. I'll throw a picture up, but basically they're like anti-fog, all this crazy stuff for the lenses, and then I'll throw a picture up, a magnetic, kind of like a face shield that has like a magnet in the bend of it, and it just kind of goes up to your nose. You can pull it down when you're talking, and then you can throw it back up, and it just magnets up, and it protects your face, like a neck gaiter type deal. So yeah, altogether, I don't know, do the math on it, it's pretty sickening, but I got everything now. I don't got to wait in line at rental shops anymore. I don't got to use rental gear. I got all my own stuff. She's got all her own stuff. So we should be good to go. We could just go ahead and get these skis dialed in, these bindings on.
Go to bed, we'll be back.
And get these skis greased up, waxed up. We should be good. She'll be all right. We'll bring her home something. Yeah, we'll bring her home a new toy. All right, so she did end up getting a new one. All right, so we went and ate. I forgot to film our breakfast food that we got. I got a skillet. She got basically just sugar on a plate with syrup on it. It was French toast, cinnamon French toast. But anyway, before that, we went to the ski store. I'm walking in thinking that I'm going to walk in there, get everything drilled and done right there. But the girl looked at me and she's like, yeah, they'll be ready for pickup in a week. So kind of bummed out about it because I really wanted to get everything done today so I don't have to go back there. But apparently just because of how busy they are, I guess it takes a week, and that's just the time frame that they're giving us. So the skis, my boots, everything is there right now. They're gonna get it drilled, dialed in. They took down my height, weight, all that good stuff, and hopefully in a week I can get them picked up. And then in 2 weeks we're going up to Wisconsin to go skiing at Devil's Head Resort. So hopefully we got some good weather for that. Hopefully the skis are all dialed in and ready to go by then. And even though I'm a beginner skier, hopefully I can get out there and shred it up. You know what I mean? Because I'm basically a pro now that I got all my own gear. You know what I'm saying? Guess I'll get another video once I go pick these things up next week. Thanks for checking it out. Dad says she appreciates you guys watching the video. She doesn't know what she would do without you guys. It's like she wakes me up now in the middle of the night. Like if I post a YouTube video and someone comments on it in the middle of the night, she wakes me up. She'll be like, oh, we got another one. Another person commented. We got another like on the video. Another person liked it. So just keep liking and keep commenting so I can keep getting woken up. You know what I mean? She's trying to tell me how to drive now. Whatever. Well, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you guys on that next one. Peace!